basically I'm passing through Mui Ne, and I hear that there's police traps there. Few travellers and motorbike companies warning that they'll pull you over. So we'll see how we go. Let's see if we get pulled over today. Well, I got pulled over. The stories about Mui Ne are true. You know, I read and heard from other travellers about getting stopped. Some get away without paying anything, some have to pay 200,000 dong. I even read this morning someone who ended up paying, I think, 5 million dong. For whatever reason the police give you. It's obviously all corruption. There's no fines, it's all bribes, no paperwork is done. When I was pulled over, he took me behind a truck and sat me down at a little kid's plastic table and chairs. They made me show my most recent GoPro footage and made me delete the shot of getting pulled over. Told me that for security reasons, no filming of police was allowed. Proceeded to tell me that the road I've been driving on was a 40, and then caught me doing 59, when I know that the speed limit on the highways here is 60. He then also tried to tell me I was driving in the wrong lane. I quickly shot him down on that one. And it boiled down to them telling me that for breaking the speed limit, I could pay 1 million dong now, or they would take my bike to the police station, and within 7 days I would have to pay 2.5 million dong. To which I replied no. And he didn't quite understand, so he tried using his Google Translator to explain to me, and threatened me, to which I replied no. And I continued doing this with whatever he had to say. And he was obviously the bad cop, and he tried to get his good cop to come and sit down with me and reason with me. And he even offered to reduce the 1 million to 700,000. Just as I was boiling down to their last nerve, 2 scooters were pulled over with white backpackers on. And as they were being pulled over, a last-ditch effort, he asked me for 200,000. To which I said no. Now thankfully I had held on to all of my possessions. As I understand it, they have no right to physically take documents from you, and I was perfectly able to show them all those documents. So anyway, these 2 other scooters had just been pulled over, and I stuck with my strategy of no. And sure enough, they just said go. I hope that's some advice that other backpackers can abide by, is don't give them anything. Take the keys out of the ignition immediately. And hold on to all of your possessions and documents. They don't have the right to take those from you. And they're not going to take you to the police station. They're not going to confiscate your bike, because then there'd be evidence of their corruption. 200,000 dong is the normal bribe, so if it really boils down to it, part with your, you know, 10 US dollars to be able to be on the road again. But frankly, I just hope that you can avoid the situation altogether. And my advice is avoid Mui Ne. Frankly, it's not worth it. But anyway, pedal up for the rest of you. And good luck to the 2 people on scooters behind me.